If you fail to meal plan, you plan to meal fail. Tama ba yun? Hindi ko alam. Basta nag-count ako ng calories, nag-lose ako 11 pounds. Sumobra ako sa calories, nag-gain ako ng 3 pounds nung bakasyon. Very efficient kung busy kayo, wala kayong oras magluto at mag-type-type. At meron kayong extra cash, meal plan. Iba-iba yung lasa, may dessert, may breakfast, di kayo magsasawa. Try natin ang best meals.
12:45 a.m. We're gonna take this queso de bola cheesecake. You can midnight snack as long as it counts in your calories counting.
6:24 a.m. and our breakfast is hash brown.
Maulan sa labas, saktong-sakto, signature chicken laksa. And by the way, 3 yung sando kong ganito, okay? Baka sabihin nyo, may meal plan ka nga. Iisa lang naman yung sando mo.
Dinner is Parmesan cheese sticks with marinara sauce and leafy salad.
Tinan mo, walang bawal eh. Ito meron strawberry taho. May granola bars, meron ka sweets. Pork belly. Diba? May pork belly ka sa... In conclusion, kung gusto mo maging mas health conscious at tamad ka magluto, meal plan, bumili ng chicken breast, sino na bahala? Best Meals, just click the link in here.